مرحبا بكم في قناة تاتس التعليمية. ادعم القناة بالاشتراك وتفعيل الجرس والإعجاب. الآن زوروا موقعنا howtutsgames.com للتركيز على الدروس واختبار المعلومات، كما يتم تحديث المحتوى التعليمي باستمرار. يونت 6 الوحدة السادسة. My Dream Vacation، عطلة أحلامي. تدرب على هذه المحادثة عن السفر.
First, let's practice the questions and answers. 1.
Where are you going? I'm going to Sydney.
2.
How long does it take to get there? It takes about 16 hours.
3.
What are you going to do there? I'm going to stay at an English camp.
Let's do another example. 1.
Where are you going?
I'm going to Vancouver.
2.
How long does it take to get there?
It takes about 15 hours.
3.
What are you going to do there?
I'm going to go sightseeing.
Now practice in pairs. One partner ask a question. The other partner say the answer like this.
Where are you going? I'm going to Dubai. How long does it take to get there? It takes about 2 hours. What are you going to do there? I'm going to shop.
Okay, now it's your turn.
هل يمكنك لعب دور مضيف في الطائرة وأخذ طلبات من ركاب الطائرة؟ تدرب على هذه المحادثة.
First, let's practice the questions and words. What would you like to drink? Orange juice, apple juice, water, or cola? What would you like to eat? Beef or fish? Noodles or rice? What are you going to drink after dinner? Tea, coffee, green tea, or juice? Now make pairs. One partner is the flight attendant, and the other is the passenger.
Good evening. What would you like to drink? Hi, I'd like some juice, please. Apple or orange juice? Apple juice, please. Here you go. Thank you. You're welcome.
Okay, now it's your turn.
تدرب على going to للتخطيط للذهاب إلى فعالية من الفعاليات. مع I نقول I'm going to، ثم نأتي بالفعل في المصدر ولا نضيف له أي شيء. Visit you're going to، ومع you نستخدم are وتختصر. You're going to watch. He's going to visit، ومع he نستخدم is، ومع she كذلك she's going to shop. We نستخدم معها are وتختصر. We're going to go. They يأتي بعدها are وتختصر. They are going to eat.
I'm going to visit the city of Abha in Asir.
I'm going to visit the city of Abha in Asir.
You're going to watch camel races in Riyadh.
You're going to watch camel races in Riyadh.
He's going to visit the children's art show at the Kingdom Tower.
He's going to visit the children's art show at the Kingdom Tower.
She's going to shop in Dubai.
She's going to shop in Dubai.
We're going to go rock climbing in the Wadi Rum Reserve in Jordan.
We're going to go rock climbing in the Wadi Rum Reserve in Jordan.
They're going to eat traditional dishes in Lebanon.
They're going to eat traditional traditional dishes in Lebanon.
تدرب على going to معها فعل في المصدر.
First, let's practice the sentences. I'm going to visit. You're going to visit. He's going to visit. She's going to visit. We're going to visit. You're going to visit. They're going to visit. Now chant in pairs. One partner chant a sentence, the other partner chant the same one. Then chant the next one, like this.
I'm going to visit. I'm going to visit. You're going to visit. You're going to visit. He's going to visit. He's going to visit. She's going to visit. She's going to visit. We're going to visit. We're going to visit. You're going to visit. You're going to visit. They're going to visit. They're going to visit.
هل يمكنك الفوز في لعبة السفر هذه؟ Where are you going? أين أنت ذاهب؟
Where are you going? First, let's practice the place names. Listen, point, and say. Najran, Lebanon, Jordan, Dubai, Jeddah, Dammam, Riyadh, Oman, Jizan. Now let's play. Choose 3 place names and put a dot over each one. Listen carefully to the sentences and circle each place name when you hear it. Are you ready? Where are you going? I'm going to Lebanon. Where are you going? I'm going to Dammam. Where are you going? I'm going to Najran. Where are you going? I'm going to Oman.
Only 2 more.
Where are you going? I'm going to Dubai. Where are you going? I'm going to Jizan.
You've got it. Done.
Okay, tell me your answers.
Najran, Dubai, Jizan.
Yes, that's right. Well done. Now, let's play for real.
ماذا عن الأنشطة التي نقوم بها هناك؟ What are you going to do there?
First, let's practice the verbs. Listen, point, and say. Ride. Drive. Shop. Climb. Eat. Swim. Visit. Camp. Watch. Now let's play. Choose 3 verbs and put a dot over each one. Listen carefully to the sentences and circle the verb when you hear it. Are you ready? They're going to eat traditional food in Lebanon. He's going to visit the children's art show in Riyadh. I'm going to watch the camel races in Riyadh. She's going to shop in Dubai. We're going to drive to the reserve in Jordan. I'm going to climb a mountain in Lebanon. He's going to swim in Jeddah. You're going to camp in Australia. He's going to ride a horse in Oman. Did you hear any of your verbs? Well done. Now, let's play again.
استمع ردد هذه الأنشودة.
This is the kingdom of Saudi Arabia, a great and blessed land, where the 2 holy mosques stand. The future will be strong and bright for all the children of the land. The vision will come true, and all will be good and right. With the faith of the nation, with health and education, the vision will come true for all the population. The ships will come and go from all over the globe. Businesses, big and small, the kingdom they will call, the leader of them all.
صل الكلمات إلى صورها. هل يمكنك أن تكمل هذه الأنشودة بالكلمات التي في الأعلى؟ Very sleepy ناعس جدا. Very hungry جائع جدا. Very thirsty عاطش جدا. So cute لطيف جدا.
Are you ready? Let's check your answers. My little brother. Why did you eat all the soup? Because I was very hungry. Why did you drink all the juice? Because I was very thirsty. Why did you take my panda? Because it's so cute. And why did you sleep in my bed? Because I was very sleepy. You have a bed. Yours is nicer. Now chant in pairs.
هل يمكنك قراءة هذه الكلمات؟ Sounds and letters أصوات وحروف. Days أيام. Months شهور. Pronouns ضمائر.
Now listen and check your reading.
1. Sounds and letters.
Beautiful. Clouds. Seas. Enough. Interesting. Silently. White. Shining. Barbecue. Laughing. Photo. Square. Scarf. Squid.
2. Days.
Sunday. Monday. Tuesday. Wednesday. Thursday. Friday. Saturday.
3. Months.
January. February. March. April. May. June. July. August. September. October. November. December.
4. Pronouns.
I. You. He. She. We. They. Mine. Yours. His. Hers. Ours. Theirs. Me. You. Him. Her. Us. Them.
Listen, read and chant. استمع، اقرأ وردد.
I went to the mall and bought a new shirt. I put it on, but it was too big. I took it back and got a smaller one. I put it on, but it wasn't big enough. What can I do?
It's your turn now. Change the shirt to something else and chant again.
Can you pick one place you want to go and write a postcard from your trip? هل يمكنك أن تختار مكانا يمكنك أو ترغب في الذهاب إليه وترسل ملصقا من هذا المكان؟
First, let's listen to and read the postcard.
Sunday, August 7th. From Honolulu. Dear Saeed, how are you? I'm in Hawaii. It took 6 hours to fly here. I'm having a great time in Honolulu. I'm learning to surf. It's great. See you soon, Billy.
Now, write your own postcard.
الآن زوروا موقعنا howtutsgames.com للتركيز على الدروس واختبار المعلومات، كما يتم تحديث المحتوى التعليمي باستمرار. كان معكم الأستاذ جاسم العقيلي، مع تمنياتنا لكم بالتوفيق والتفوق.